In this video, I'm going to try and make my coffee table from the available materials I have. Because I had all the materials, like it cost me close to zero to complete the project. So first, the table top is from an old glass table that broke. A story for another day. I really don't know if you can tell. As you can tell, I'm removing the adhesive paper that I had done previously, but it didn't work. So I'm just going to remove. The woods I'm going to use as legs are from the rolling pin used to make chapati. These are the things that are used to make chapati. So I had already cut this for 5 pieces to make the base of the table. I did apply wood glue all around before I did the screws, just to make sure it's more strong, cause nikiweka screw peke yake inatendingi kuwa weak, so mtu akiekelea mkono inakaa kama inaanguka. So that doing the glue, you can let it dry for some times, but mimi my patience is close to zero, so straight away nikaanza ku screw. Yeah, the process was a bit tricky, but I did manage. I did the same with the legs, hizi rolling pins zangu. I did the same. Sasa hapa ndo kizungumkuti ilikuwa to make that thing hold until ikuwe firm. Ilikuwa, yeah, I had to wait. Yes, so finally that's the thing. After I've assembled kila kitu, the wood like safi kidogo, yeah, just to make. I want the natural wood yenyewe. Sitaki kupaint white na sitaki kupaint any other color, so wood staining is the best option if you have not yet decided on the color that you want. For the top piece, I did the white spray paint. I had already done the first coat just to make sure the spray paint will work perfectly with this type of wood. So you can see, I ended up doing like 3 coats of spray paint. So maybe if I did the other paint, the paint with the brush, ingekuwa less, but anyway, I digress. So you can see, si mbaya sana. So we let it dry. Like, to attach the 2 pieces, I'm really trying to find the center. Hapa tukola lilipiga lap tulizunguka, but finally tukapata center. So my main concern, because I was not sure about the screws the size of screw that I'm going to use, so I had to keep checking kama inatokea, but finally I found the perfect size. That's my table. As you can see, kakoto sawa, it works perfectly fine. Iko strong. Maybe I can do a second coat, but for now tuko sawa hapo. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button.